Good morning. Dave here. I'm thinking maybe you might still be asleep. It's 5:50 in the morning. I felt that it was necessary to share with you a little incident that happened, and I made a video of it, and I can put the link on the video as soon as I'm done with this one. But this one, and I'm going to show you that this is the GoPro Hero 9, and as I had told you, I had since I first received the camera, I was going to dissect it. I was going to find out what's wrong with it, what can it do, and what can it not do. Now, in the instruction box, it says that there's an 8 with an X, which means that it does 8 times slow. Right? I think it's 8 times slow. Well, there's a setting right here that it says. There's a setting right there that says slow-mo. I'm not sure if you can read that part. If you have a GoPro Hero 9, it should tell you right there. It says slow-mo right there. Slow-mo, I have it at 1080 and 240 frames per second, and it's on wide video. Now, because it's my understanding that if you have it on slow-mo, which means that it should start a process that the moment you press record on it, maybe your voice will go away and it'll be a muted video, but everything will look slow. Everything will start slow. For example, in my case, I was in the swimming pool at the Gold Gym. I would have imagined that the waves were just slowing down at a pace. Just instead of it being in reality, waving up and down, it was just slowly. That's my understanding of slow-mo. That why is it that this camera would advertise the GoPro Hero 9 would advertise itself as it having slow-mo. Let me put it back over here. It says slow-mo. So if it says slow-mo, that means that it can give you slow motion effect. Now, I did this yesterday at the Gold Gym swimming pool. And naturally, since it's waterproof, I just kept it right above the water. And I intentionally tried waving the water around so it can make waves. So when I did the playback, first of all, it won't even allow you to do a playback here. You have to download it to either your phone or download it to the computer so that you can so you can start setting it up on your post editing. In my case, I'm using DaVinci 16 on my iMac Pro. Now, this should have worked. This should have worked, and it did not work. It did not work. The moment it went from a normal phase, which is 1080 at 60 frames per second, I switched it over to slow-mo, and it did not work at all. It did not work at all. I don't know why it didn't work. And I posted the video in the forums, and a lot of people have come out and said, you know what? You're right. You're absolutely right. It doesn't work with us either. We don't know what's going on. Why would GoPro add slow-mo if it doesn't work? Maybe it does not work with Apple computer systems. Maybe it works with just Windows or Android. I don't know. I tried downloading it to my Android phone and played it back just as a normal video. It doesn't do slow-mo either. So it's got nothing to do with Android either. Maybe it's only compatible with Windows. I don't know. I don't have a Windows computer. I have an iMac Pro, and I got an Android phone, and I got an iPhone, but I don't have Windows. So this is my take. This is my feedback. Why would GoPro go to all the trouble in advertising that this thing had slow-mo at 240 frames per second, and yet when you try to film something in the swimming pool, something, just slow waves, doing something, it doesn't work. But yet, I can go to an Insta360 1R and turn on the slow-mo, and it works immediately. It works perfect. It even works under the 360 edition. It shows you right there and then on the playback where the waves are just wobbling along very slowly, very, very gentle-like. But yet I can't do that with this GoPro. Now, it's my understanding, and I have the GoPro Hero 5 and the GoPro Hero 7, and of course, naturally the 8, which is the one I'm talking on now. Excuse me. The one I'm talking on right now is the GoPro Hero 8, which has the media mod, which has the display mod, and the LED lamp. It's all fully equipped, which is good for me because I'm able to make videos at night when the winds are quiet down, when I can be able to speak and talk directly into the camera, and maybe even back away a little bit, and you should still be able to see me, or I can brighten up the flashlight here. Yeah, I can make it brighter. Uh-oh, that's the SOS thing. Hold on. That one, and that one. That's the brightest one. But anyways, what I'm saying is, what's going on, GoPro? Why is the GoPro Hero 9 not working on slow-mo? Is what I want to know. We spent a lot of money on these little boy toys, but and you and I and the whole world knows very well that when you're out there in the water, you want to have a slow motion effect. You don't want to have the real life effect while you're in the water. You don't want to be splashing water. You want to splash water in a slow motion type of deal. Somebody help me out. Write a comment in the bottom. Maybe you know something that I missed, or maybe I didn't miss anything, and maybe this camera here doesn't have slow-mo after all. Others have said, no, the slow-mo effect happens when you transfer it to an editor. Well, then why the heck would GoPro have a slow-mo in here when I can do that with any take? I can have 30 frames per second and bring it down to slow-mo also. Doesn't necessarily have to be at 240. Why is it at 240 on this GoPro Hero 9, and yet when I transfer it to a computer, which is a very fast computer, my iMac Pro, it's 64 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigs on the video card, why is it that I can't do slow-mo on my computer or on my phone or on my iPhone or my Android? There's something different about this GoPro Hero 9 that's not making it work. Give me a comment below if you guys know of anything else. Maybe I missed something and I don't know. Maybe something's going on, but I don't know. You let me know anyways, and you all take care. Have a good morning. Have a safe weekend. Today's Saturday here in southern Texas. Here I'm here located in Travis County, which is Austin, Texas. Let me know what's going on, and maybe it just needs a firmware update. I'm not sure, but I am very patient. I'm a very patient person. I can wait. It's no big deal. I was gonna actually, I had all this equipment that I was gonna take scuba diving in the Philippines, but our our flights got canceled and we couldn't go to the Philippines anymore. And we want to thank COVID-19 for that. Anyways, y'all have a good weekend. Have a safe weekend and maintain yourself, your safe distance from each other, and stay active and stay away from that damn virus that's killing a lot of people. Y'all have a good weekend.